Welcome to Happiness with Hema.
If you're somebody new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. In this video, you're going to love it because this hairstyle tutorial is one hairstyle, many ways. You are definitely going to try.
This is a very quick video, sustainable fashion. I always talk about sustainable fashion, and sustainable fashion is nothing but whatever you have it, whatever with the less thing you can try and play around and then try to bring that little change. That can be a fashion also. So this video is especially for that. So stay tuned till the end to know if you are very fashionable but you want to learn sustainable way of staying fashionable. So this hairstyle. So guys, I'll be introducing this hairstyle. You can see this is so simple and easy hairstyle, which is like it's very easy with the curly hair, straight hair, any kind of a hair. So I will undo this hairstyle, and that's how you can learn how to make this simple hairstyle and be very fashionable, especially when you have those bad days. So the very first thing is you need some fancy thing, so that I have clipped it here, so make it a little more fancier. Let's see how cute and fancy and simple, neat and clean. You can do this hairstyle for a office wear, you can use it for the picnic, you can use it for some meeting. It look very neat and tidy, and you still look very elegant. Yeah, so this is a hairstyle anyone with a shoulder length, long hair, and even with the this chin level hair also you can do this. So yes, stay tuned till the end to know how to go about it. Okay, yes, so I'm going to undo this hairstyle and you will learn how easy it is. So first, taking off this, so you need a fancy. Okay, so this is a final look. And when I'm going to undo this, you will learn how to do this. Okay, so this is like other way around. So I'm taking off, so what all you need is, I'm taking off all these pins, so that you can see that nothing else I have used. See, I've used this 4 bobby pins. That's it. And then you can see what I've done. I have made 2 ponytails, but not the real 3 braided, but just 2 braids like this, like this, easy. And if your hair are very silky, you can make 3 braids also, but then just 2 braids like this, loose one, so that you don't have to even do pulling thing. And then I'll show you how I made this. Well, with this kind of a braided look, I also have made a separate video. You can go through that and learn that. But how easy it is, just do this. Then you crisscross, put a pin first here. Okay, so take a bobby pin like this and pin up like this and put it down. Then the other side, you do like this, up first and then twist it and down. Okay, now use the down portion, twist it them again, and you can hide it like this. Again, take a bobby pins and now you can push it down like this. And then at the end, you can use this kind of a thing and just put it in a center, so that so that's simple, guys. So try this hairstyle and I'm sure you're going to rock it. So now I'm going to put it all out. You have seen with just 4 bobby pins, I have done this magic. You don't need fancy rubber bands, you don't need fancy hairpins or something, just simple bobby pins like these, and 4 or 5, because actually precisely 6. So these are the 4 one which I have held tight my this ones, and two here. So this also I'll open and I'll show you how, you know, so you can try and use this kind of a thing and make volume out of it. So when you open, so I'll just show you from one side how I have made, you know, so that you know. So you divide your hair, like first do the front division and then divide your hair like this, okay, like this. Put this hair back and like this. Divide this into two parts. The front part should be, you have 90% of hair, and the back part you should have only little, like this, and then crisscross. Okay, so here I have done that 10% is in my thumb and 90% is up here. Now from here, take a very thin section, put it in your thumb and go back like this. And now again on my thumb and go like this. Okay, make sure that your hair, pulling your hair up a little bit, then like this, and go like this, and till you're that, you know, the portion you have taken, keep doing this, repeating this. And now this one last, and do like this. Now you see this braided look, this thing had happened. Now you can pull it up a little bit, because I like my hair to be little puffy. So pull it up like this, pull it up like this, pull it up like this, and then you twist this one and take a bobby pin and just put it up like this first, and then twist your lift up your pin and like this, so that it's hidden. Okay, and now whatever hair you have, this one, you are going to polish it with your hands like this. Okay, neatness, do it this, and now divide your this hair into two portion and like this, two. If your hair are very silky, then you can make 3 braids, which is more I'll say secure. But with the curly hair, this kind of a braid also goes very well. Make sure you're making it till the end, so that when you're leaving it, it stays. So when you leave it, it becomes a little more loose and fluffy, which look nice. And then again the same thing. So I hope you like this braid, and do try this. And sometimes what I do is I make this kind of a braid and then I make another braid like this, you know, like this, okay, with the same thing, like this. So actually this also look very nice. So here you can put hairband here, or you can you can put a rubber band or something like that. You see, this also come very, very handy. So this way, when you divide your hair and do something, na, it become more secure, it become more neater, it become more nice and presentable. Because if, you know, I'll just make 2 braids like this, first of all, it will look very, you know, not age appropriate, right? Because some people feel that, oh, I don't even look doing 2 ponytails, because we associate 2 ponytails with the young girls and the teenage girls, right? But how you can convert your 2 ponytail into 1. So that's how I've shown. And another hairstyle which you can do with the same kind of a style is to make 2 braids like this, and then you wrap this up round and round. Okay, like this, you wrap it. Again, I'll show you. You wrap this at the back, round and round and round like this, and then like this. So this also look very nice and very age appropriate, although you have made it with the two braids. So with the two braids it's become little more volumized, because if you make one braid only and try to make your buns, it will look very small buns and all that. So two little loose, and then you convert it into it look like more voluminous kind of, you know, volumized bun, and very trendy bun. So it gives a different look to your personality. So I hope you like this hairstyles, and of course you can also dress up it with the center, you know, clip like this, or you can use some other kind of a rose flower like this, you know. Yeah, so well, I hope you like this sustainable fashion hacks and a lot of 3-in-1 styles. Try to do it, and don't forget to share it with your daughters, with your girlfriends, with your mothers, sisters. You know, in every age you need style, you need fashion. Fashion is not only just it makes you confident, but it also create happy hormones to your body. And you know, more, I always say that, you know, all the ladies that don't do fashion for others, but do it for yourself. Because when you are feeling very happy, when you feel very confident, when you feel very satisfied, you can make others happy, satisfied, and spread happiness, you know, and spread, you can rub your personality on others by being confident. When they see you confident, they also want to be like you. So be an inspiration, be a influencer in everybody's life. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I am leaving now, and make sure to share this video, and for more such videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're somebody new to my channel, what you have to do is just click subscribe button, so that you can get notifications regularly whenever I'm posting some videos. Nowadays I'm very being regular with posting things, you know, posting especially in a YouTube and to other platforms also. But stay tuned for more videos, and you know, yes, so very soon I'll come up with some other video. So for now, saying bye, goodbye, signing off. Happiness with Hema, signing off.